name is Daisy the cow. My friends and I are going to show you a wee video about what we do on the farm and where milk comes from.
We start our life as a wee baby calf. Aren't we cute? When we are born, we weigh just under 50 kilograms. We like when our friends visit us on the farm. We eat straw and dry food like this. But our favourite thing is milk from our mums. We spend the first couple of weeks in small pens so the farmer can make sure that we're all fitting well. Milk helps us to grow big and strong. We get fresh straw every day to keep us clean, warm and dry. As we grow up, we move into bigger pens with our friends. We still love getting fed milk though. And we still get fresh straw every day to keep our beds warm and dry. As we get older, we stop getting milk. Instead, we eat more dry food like hay and meal. This is a bit like breakfast cereal with no milk, but we really enjoy it. Our fresh straw gets put in by the tractor. The farmer uses a lot of straw to keep our beds nice and fresh. How many cats can you see enjoying our straw?
I counted 4.
Now we're old enough to have calves and become cows. So us growing up is a bit like the different stages of school. Nursery, our small pens. Primary, still getting milk but in bigger pens. And academy, milk stops but we get lots of dry food. College, we are nearly cows by the time we are here. Once we have our calves, we start producing milk. During the summer, we love being outside in the fields. But in winter, the field is too cold and we look a bit silly wearing jumpers. When we are outside, we eat fresh grass. And when we come inside, the farmer makes us special food. We get silage, which is carefully stored wet grass, mixed with lots of other things to help keep us healthy. This is beet pulp. It's made from the same thing that sugar is made from. This is draff. It is a byproduct from breweries. This is a dark grain. It is also a byproduct from the alcohol industry. This is treacle, the same as you might find in your kitchen. This is made from oilseed rape. This is how our food gets mixed. The big yellow forklift is like a spoon putting the ingredients in. And the green trailer is like a food mixer. It mixes all the ingredients the farmer puts in. Like a food blender in your kitchen. These are the silage pits. There is enough silage in here to feed us right through the winter. Some of us are still in the field. Here you can see our food getting mixed. The farmer gives us fresh food every day. We drink lots of water. A cow producing milk drinks about 100 litres a day. Imagine drinking 100 litres of juice each day.
The only problem with drinking so much is we need to pee a lot. And poo.
The farmer stores all our pee and poo and uses it as fertiliser called slurry to help crops grow well. During the winter we stay inside together. Our beds are called cubicles. The farmer keeps them clean and dry for us, with fresh sawdust every day. We all enjoy a good scratch from the cow brush. We get our feet washed every day too. All the good food and care we get helps us to produce good quality milk. We get milked twice a day in the milking parlour.
I can't wait to get milked.
We get fed a bit of extra food while we're getting milked. In the parlour, we get our teats wiped to keep our milk clean. Then the milking unit is put on. It takes the milk from us to the milk tank. After milking, our teats get dipped to help keep them in good condition. Computers in the milking parlour give the farmer information about us, like our numbers and how much milk we give. We all get ear tags with our own unique number. And we get numbers on our bums so the farmer knows who we are. Here we are, all getting milked. It doesn't happen this fast in real life. Milk gets stored in a big tank on the farm at about 3 degrees centigrade.
That's the same temperature as the fridge in your house.
The cold keeps the milk fresh until the tanker takes it away. The milk tanker takes the milk away every day. Milk is used to make lots of different things, like yogurt, butter, ice cream, and chocolate.
So that's us. Did you enjoy our video? We hope you learned something about what happens on a farm and where milk comes from. We'd just like to thank the Reid family and Graham's Dairies for their help making this video.